Alright, so first you gotta pump it anywhere from 40 to 20 psi. It'll run at about 17 psi, but only one round. And then those are the pumps, the tanks. And that's the on-off switch, and it also drains the tanks. If the psi is too low and it's not running, then you can just flip the lever this way, push it that way, and it'll drain the tanks. And the pieces that I needed, they were different. See how that's bent, kind of? It's just using pieces like that in there instead of an actual shaft, which would have made it stronger. So then the gears wobble. Alright, I'll show you it running then. And already it's down to about 15 psi. If you can see that. Yeah, 15 or 14. So then you just gotta pump it back up, and it'll go again. And it'll keep going. If you keep pumping, or once you get it to the psi that it needs. The more psi, the faster it goes, but I only have 3 air tanks, so I might take a pop bottle and put 2 holes in the lid or the bottom, put hoses in so that I can compress that air. And yeah, it'll still run if you turn the gears, but not much. And then the valves here, they run the cylinders, and the gears just run the valves, and the cylinders run the gears, basically. So it's just a cycle. And I was gonna put this hose underneath through that hole and then connect them somewhere in here, and then have one hose running out right there. But these ones were a little too short and the others were too long, so I just went with this. That's about it. Rocket, say hi.